This video will demonstrate how to use the eMotorworks dashboard. To start, go to dashboard.emotorworks.com and log in with an existing account or create one by clicking the Register New User with Email link at the bottom of the screen. You will be directed to this page upon logging in. Your available JuiceNet devices will be shown here. The color of the background tiles represents the state of the unit. Gray is an offline unit. Blue is a ready unit that is not plugged in or charging. Green is plugged in but not charging. And orange is a unit which is currently charging. If your JuiceBox does not show up on this page, click the button titled Add JuiceNet Device. If your JuiceBox has been connected to Wi-Fi, its ID will show up on the list to the right side of the screen. Click the number, press Add JuiceNet Device, and you should be redirected to this confirmation message. If your JuiceBox has not been connected to Wi-Fi, you will need to set it up before it will show up in the Add Devices screen. For assistance, please see our instructional video about setting up your JuiceBox using a computer or the JuiceNet mobile app. Click the blue Browse My JuiceNet Devices button to go back to the list of available JuiceNet devices. The first line is the name of the unit. Under the lines of text, you should see this button, which will allow you to pair your device with Amazon's Alexa. Under the name of your device, you will see the string of numbers that represents your device ID, and below it, you will see the status of the device. At the bottom of the tile, you will see the power used in the current charging session followed by the lifetime power in parentheses. Below it, you will find the amount you have saved by not using gasoline over both the current charge session and the lifetime of the unit. To access the JuiceNet device settings, select More Details at the bottom of its tile, then click on the Settings tab. On this page, you can change the device name, address, and time zone. You can also set a limit on the current in amps for the device. To the right side of the screen, you can enter savings parameters to make your cost savings more accurate. This information includes the average miles per gallon of a comparable non-electric vehicle, average gas price in your area, average watt-hour per mile of your current electric vehicle, and average cost of electricity in cents. Towards the bottom of the screen, you can see and set a charging schedule, which will determine when this unit is allowed to charge. This can be toggled on and off with the slide switch. If you go to the History tab of your JuiceNet device, you will see precise charging session data for up to 6 months of history. You can also download the CSV data files for viewing in a spreadsheet. To view the status and information of your device, click on the Status tab. If you have charge scheduling set, you can override it by clicking this switch. Below it, you can set an allowed current limit for this charging session, and next to it, you can set a limit to the amount of energy allowed in the current session. The dials show instantaneous charging parameters, and the counters at the bottom show session and lifetime values of energy usage and savings from using the device. On the right side of the screen, you can select your notification preferences by clicking the boxes. Via the Load Groups function on the dashboard, you can configure multiple JuiceNet devices to share a single circuit without collectively exceeding that circuit's amperage. To create a load group, click the orange New Load Group button at the top of the screen. Here, you can set a group name and a maximum draw that can be used by your devices at any given time. This is equal to 75% of the circuit breaker value. To add devices to your load group, click on the group. In the drop-down menu, select any devices you would like to add into your group. Then click Add Selected JuiceNet Devices to Load Group. To edit a load group, click the yellow Edit button, and to delete a load group, click the red Delete button.